All right, ZuZu. Take off your blindfold and come on over here. So I'm gonna talk first and then you're gonna do it. Don't taste nothing yet. So, can you tell the people what we're about to do?
We're gonna try this.
We're gonna see, so basically, you have 4 cups in there filled with something. You're gonna taste it and then you're gonna tell us what you think it is. And if you get all 4 correct, you get $4. But if you only get some of them correct, you only get, a couple dollars. So you get $1 for every cup you get right, okay?
Okay, I will try.
All right, so start with the cup and then tell us what you think it is. Go ahead.
I'm gonna start with this one.
Okay. That one's hard to drink. It's not that much. What do you think it is? This. Okay, now try.
Almond milk?
Almond milk. Good job. That's actually correct. Okay, now try another cup.
This is actually butter.
That one's gonna be something different. Go ahead. Taste it again. What did you say it was? Water. That's correct. Good job. Okay, now try another one.
Maybe we'll take the same.
Can you reach it? Apple juice. That's right. That's your favorite, yeah.
This
And
one.
then try it out. Stephanie's not here.
Yay!
You got them all correct. You got them all correct. So now you get $4. But they're in my wallet, so I'll get that. But did you enjoy that challenge? Which one was your favorite?